This video shows you how to do the e36 seat gear replacement. I'm following instructions on the odometer gears and Pelican parts articles, and I'm just making a video for it. And as you can see, my seat's stuck in full decline. You can see that the seat's attached with four I think they're 16mm bolts. You have to take these two out, and then you gotta move the seat back and get the ones under here, or I think they're somewhere under there. These are put on pretty tight. Take these two out. Alright. Let's see how to get the front ones. Yeah, I think these are it. I don't know what these are. There they are. Oh. Alright, they're out. Now, to disconnect the wires. And we got this one right here. Let's get this one off too. The seat was extremely heavy. I think it's around 80 pounds. You just gotta be careful not to hurt yourself. Okay. So we gotta remove this T30. Yeah, it fits right. That out of the way, you can see the two motors. Oh, whoops. Which one to tackle first? This one looks easier. I think you're supposed to do this one first, because this is held on by two Torx right here. The other one's deep inside, and I gotta remove this one first. And these motors will basically, they'll just pull out. It was just like in right there, and you just pull it out. Let them rest somewhere. Just keep it right there. And let's get to this motor right here. Alright, now we gotta get these 6 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these, they look like different sizes. There's one, these are pretty long. Alright, now with all the screws out, you should be able to pry this cover out. Let's get a screwdriver. Alright, here we go. Was that this one was broken? Strange, it doesn't seem like it. Let's get this worm gear out and we'll find out. Let's see. Whoa. Right, after cleaning this gear up, I actually found what the problem was, and I'm kind of relieved because now I know how to fix it. See these two. Let me see if I can see them. These two splines are actually smashed right there. And that's causing it to jam right there. So I'm gonna pop off this old one. It has a C-clip that's right there. You can take a screwdriver probably. Alright. Don't lose this. Alright, now we should be able to take this off. There you go. There's the old gear. Now you want to put grease on everything when you put it back. Alright, here's the new one. You want to make sure you order the right color, because different models have different colors, and here I have a vise set up with a socket, and that's basically the only way you can get the gear on the shaft. You can't put it in by hand. Alright, this is enough to put the circlip back on, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, let's grease this thing back up. I sped this part up. I'm basically packing the entire chamber with grease. And put everything back together. This is actually a pretty good time to clean what's underneath the seat. Mine, you can see, is pretty dirty. It was ridden with coffee stains from the previous owner, so I'm cleaning this out. First I vacuumed it, and then I'm using, it's a diluted Meguiar's all-purpose cleaners. It's, I think it's a 7-to-1 ratio, and I just scrub it in and blot it out with shop rags. Here's the final product. It's working again. I hope you find this video useful. Thanks.